Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best cribs for twins that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best cribs for twins. There are 5 main types. Each type has its advantages and disadvantages, but many parents can have more than one kind to serve different purposes. We are reviewing the different kinds of cribs. It's time to check out the best brands on the market. Number 5. Baby Trend Twin Nursery. This is a bassinet combo, making it useful for both sleep and playtime. The twin option comes with 2 separate bassinets that easily click into place on top of the play yard. Main features: separate bassinets, wheels and locking mechanism. Combines pack and play and bassinet. Number 4. Juvie New Room 2 Play Yard. It has a mattress and soft fitted sheet, and many have raved about the stability and durability of this unit. It should even hold up well for adventures outdoors. Main features: big enough for 2 babies, affordable and portable, durable material and construction. Number 3. Union 3-in-1 Convertible. For newborns, traditional cribs often get bad press because you need to bend down deep to pick the baby up. But this crib comes with 4 mattress height settings to alleviate that concern. Main features: height adjustment feature for the mattress, space-saving design, affordable. Number 2. Dream On Me Convertible. The mini crib can be converted to a daybed as your baby grows. If you're interested in saving money later on, an optional conversion kit can also turn it into a twin bed when your child gets older. Main features: space saver, affordable price, easy setup. Number 1. Delta Children Folding Portable. The crib is made of wood. It also has 2 mattress height settings, which will keep your babies within reach when they're younger, potentially saving your back from injury. Main features: easy to set up and take down. Has wheels for maneuverability. 2 mattress height settings. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.